So here's a project I discussed in my last video. This is a PC I'm going to try and restore. This was actually found in a skip along with a few other computers, but this seemed to be the most interesting one. This was the board that it came with. It is a socket 462 AMD Duron system with AGP, PCI, SD RAM slots, and it's got onboard ID controller, floppy controller, and on the back we've got game port, audio, onboard video, parallel serial, USB, Ethernet and PS2. Now, unfortunately, this did get mangled. Some of the components here are missing. One CD drive, not the components off the board. You can probably see there's a massive dent in the case. So unfortunately this board is not really repairable when the traces and pads are missing. And as you can probably see here, there's quite a bend in the board, and it was a lot more severe than that. And that's where the motherboard tray is just being bent. There's the original power supply. This mounts sideways on like this into the back of here. Around the back of the case is where you'll start to see most of the damage. It's quite bad. Looks like something was thrown on it. And it's buckled the whole side of the case there, as well as the motherboard tray. And that's where the CD drive sort of bent into it. And this, I didn't know this was actually loose now. So I'm going to have a go at bending back this case, hopefully sort that out. There's a 50 times CD drive. Previously took the floppy drive out, but I'll put that back in. And power reset as usual. Bit of a mic there, but nothing too major. That's major. Why am I bothering? I don't know. So I plan to get it cleaned up and make a nice system of it, and then I might just sell it once everything's sort of working and clean. Now, I'm hoping the original power supply works, but we'll take the cover off it, check the insides out and go from there. As for the motherboard and the rest of the system, this is the board I purchased to replace the original, and it's pretty close to the original. It's just a different colour. This came with a Duron 1300, and yeah, it's pretty much the same board, just a different colour. This was absolutely filthy when I got it, worse than the original board. It was full of pet hair all in here. It's just absolutely nasty. You'll notice that quite a few of the pins are bent all over the place, so that'd be something to address. Okay, switch. No explosions. Turn it on. Promising. Right, I'll turn it off again. Grab a VGA lead. Put that in there. Alright. Second attempt. No display. Nothing. Let's plug in our speaker. Okay. Now we've got a speaker plugged in. Nothing.
One motherboard later.
Now this should work absolutely fine, so I'll plug it in and I'll plug the speaker in first actually. We should hear it beep. Ah, yes. Alright, that's enough of that. Off. Set off. Right, get some good RAM. 256 meg. 133. Should be okay for this board. Okay. Right. Okay. Now let's try it with the graphics card. Two here. I think this is a GeForce 2 MX400, but I believe it's got some VRAM issues. It does still work, just not in 3D. And then there's another GeForce 2, but this works. So we'll try this. Power, please. Beep. Display is turned on. Hold on. I don't think it's finding that RAM. Alright then, I'll reseat the RAM. This did work last time you used it. Let's just try the 512 stick. See if you get any different results. Give it a wiggle in the socket. Plug that back in. Power on. Oh dear. Let's try that again. There we go. 640k, okay. Ah, yes. You, sir, have found all the RAM. Brilliant. Okay. It's even got the correct date and time. Alright, maybe not the time, but the date is correct. So, let's have a look. No CPU settings. I wonder if it's gonna be jumpers and dip switches. Yeah. Okay. Now it says Rev 1.3 though, but it's got a sticker for 4.1 on the board. You test that, RAM. Quite a bit. Hmm. 1998. 350. I don't think this graphics card's of the right age. I have got another, let me dig that out. Hopefully this works. This is a PowerVR graphics card from 2001. Oh dear, that's not very specific, era appropriate. Let's proceed. Trying that. Don't know if this still works. I've had it years. This is one of my oldest pieces. Not as far as technology goes, but as far as how long I've had it, I hope it still works. Fan does at least. Oh, there we go. Ah, yeah. Oh. Brilliant. Nice and loud. Alright, well that works. I'm going to end the video here. Unfortunately, the original sort of system that was in there is a no-go. I can't be putting any more money into that. It was literally a PC out of a skip. So I've tried. I spent 99p plus £8 postage to get something else that doesn't work, but at least it's got a nice Giron 1300 on it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. A bit longer than usual, a bit more casual and just faffing around with old shit. So if you liked it, give us a like, subscribe, and if you've got any comments or any questions about anything I've gone over in the video, let me know.